Hi, I am Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnaye Jamentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conyan Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. I am the girlfriend, wife, lover of Alexandria Mentisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First. Alex Jr. ko is civil engineer and technician. My self is business course. I am accountancy but shift on business course. So this camera video of myself, I want to tell that uh, I want to tell my moment to Alexandria Mentisa Jr. ko that happens high school. During high school, I am seated beside of Alexandria Mentisa Jr. ko during June. Month of June it is year 2008. Year 2008. Being seated beside of Alex Jr. ko, myself to Alex Jr. ko, myself when I sight Alex and Jamet is a junior ko, I already has interest to Alex and Jamet is a junior ko during that moment. When I am seated beside of Alex Jr. ko, I tends to wonder. That is the starting point of it. I start to wonder. I tells Alex Jr. ko about questions on life such as what is his name, what is his age. Oh, age? Wait. Age. And then birthday, and then um, only child siya. My Alex Jr. ko is only child. He responds on me on such this. Oh my God! Alex Jr. ko, when I tells him a question about his name, the first name that he says to myself is Manuel. Manuel Quezon. The first. That is the first being says of Alex Jr. ko on myself. He does not say the middle name of him on myself. What he just say is Manuel Quezon the first. Then the next is uh, when I tell a question to Alex Jr. ko about his name for the second count because I not know why, I not know the reason of why I tell him a question about it. What he say to myself is Alex Angementisa Jr. That is what being says of Alex Jr. ko on myself. So, I call Alex Angementisa Jr. ko, also named as Manuel Quezon the First, the name of Alex Jr. because that is usually being says of my fellow classmate. My fellow classmate as well as his fellow classmate. Then, uh, when he say to myself based on my question about when is his birthday, he answers me March. March talaga. Ano to? March 1995. That is what is being says of Alex Jr. ko on myself. And then, what else? The next is, uh, me and Alex Jr. ko tends to talk while sitting position. Myself during year 2008 is being a person that conversation of Alex Jr. ko starts of year 2008. I am having a conversation to Alexandria Tisa Jr. ko year 2008. Then that is June. June. July year 2008, he already on a situation of giving me something such as Rebisco, Fajibar, Zesto, and then talking on myself as well. He even shows me his penmanship, drawing, and then what else? Mm, feel shy all of a sudden. And then what else? Mm, I will continue on talking, but I am shy. How to deal with it? Feel shy. Wait, I am eating buko juice. So me and Alex Jr. ko on a sitting position tends to the word is mingle. The definition of the word mingle is I know during year 2012 college degree. And then the definition of it is such as socialization, bonding, and then it is depends to the person if there is lingers. Not the word lingers meaning to say being clingy. Lingers is such as already on a situation, on a feeling of being attached to the person and then clingy it is about. I am Konyan that talks. I'm not artista. I am college degree business course. Next is uh, from June starts of the class from June, July, and then from June to July, me and Alex Jr. ko is having a conversation inside of the classroom. And then when it is already uh, when it is already August, near my birthday is August 7. My birthday is August 7. On my before it is August 7, Alex Jr. ko tells me about such this of what will I say. Kausapin mo mama mo. Sabihin mo na niligaw ako kung maaari. Ay, kilig ako. In English translation, tell your mother I am courting you. That is what Alex Jr. says on myself. Then when I when I go home, I tell my mother of what is Alex Jr. says to myself inside of the classroom. My mother says, as long as you will not be pregnant, sabi niya. As long as you will not be pregnant on early age. Then, that moment, it is near August 7. When it is August 7, that day, Alex Jr. ko tells me of what my mother says on on courting myself of Alex Jr. ko. I say to Alex Jr. ko, my mother, kinikilig ako. I feel kilig, but does not want to show the feeling. I don't know why. I will just drink water. Never relax ko. Kinikilig. Never ko Alex ko. Kinikilig ako. My feeling is, I am thinking it could not be shows, but on myself, I know to myself that I feel kilig. And then, during that August 7, it, that day is my birthday. Alex Jr. says, uh, so, uh, boyfriend mo na ako? Sabi niya. While holding my hand, this hand, left hand. And then, I say, sabihin mo, oo. And then what I say is, oo. Nagilig ko. That is what Alex Jr. says. Why? I'm happy. But that is what Alex Jr. says on myself. That is why, that is why, that is during August 7, my birthday. That is my birthday celebration. Happy, 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 happy. Oh, I am happy. Seriousness. What's that? I am happy. I am happy. So the start of the relationship of me and Alex Jr. is August 7, 2008. So 17 year already it is. And then in English translation, Alex Jr. ko says, you say YES. And then, hmm, YES. I say, no, no, no. Specific it is, not YES. It is letter O, letter O. I am talking on technology. What do I think of? Natural. I am telling of what is happens during year 2008. There is no hate. There is no sadness. None. I feel shy only because of technology. Alex Jr. ko is brown color, thick eyebrow, straight hair, and then oval nose. Seventeen already kami ni Alex. Kaming dalawa ni Alex is 17 year now. Healthy is my relationship to Alex Jr. ko. I am as a, I will talk more on year 2008. My self to Alex Jr. ko is love at first sight. It is because of talking from month of July, and then even August, after August 7, I talk as well as I talk to Alex Jr. ko. That whole year, that whole year, June 2008 to March 2019, conversation to Alex Jr. ko, communication. That is the doing of me and Alex Jr. ko. And then sometimes, touching, and then kissing. That is the doing of me and Alex Jr. ko. And then, when it comes into relationship, uh, myself is calm. The definition of calm is I am enjoying the moment. Every day of moment of me and to Alex Jr. ko is I enjoys it. Merry this with Alex Jr. to. Every day I talk to Alex Jr. ko, I not feel what you call that in English? Nagsasawa. Never to myself. I am always energetic, and then it is good about talking to each other because I tends to know him better than previous day, something such that. Truthfulness it is. When about talking, it is such as the self is growing. Ganun. Talking. Such that. And then, mm, wait, I will just drink. I'm drinking. Tada! Buko. Ay! Ala! Oh, that is my, for instance, being clumsy. I am a clumsy person. And then, I feel kilig. I will proceed and talking. The moment of me and Alex Junior ko in school is recess hour. Recess hour is my moment to Alex Junior ko. We do not do daring. We do uh, touching, such as knowing each other, touching, and then curiosity. Myself is curious onto his being boy gender, face, the face of being a boy, such that I am a girlfriend during that moment. That is my curiosity, myself being ignorance. I have a boyfriend and then that is the face of a boy. Something such that. Ayan na. Sabi ko, having a boyfriend, boy, the face, and then the skin color, the hand, it is, such it is thick rather than myself. Ganon. Year 2008 it is. And then I not know during that moment reproductive organ of boy gender. Only skin is me. Myself is on lower body, upper body part of boy gender during year 2008. That is my relationship to Alex ko. And then what else could I say? Amazing it is. Boy gender face. That is my first encounter to have a boyfriend. Face structure. Boy gender face structure. That is amazing. And then, mm, wait, Kim na. Okay. Next na. I'm cleaning my finger. Married kami ni Alex. And then, those moment of me, of myself to Alex Jr. ko, I tend to draw it. I will show it. Hmm? I'm not doing magic. Such as this one. Tada! Me, this is Alex Jr. ko, and then this is myself. And then, this is me and Alex Jr. ko. I tend to draw it, those memory of me, of myself and Alex Jr. ko. As well as this one. So, meaning to say, my memory. My memory is my, uh, is what I am thinking during high school year to to draw those memory of myself to Alex Jr. ko because of that is relationship of myself to him. Love relationship. And then I am not yet done drawing it because of I don't know. Wait, it is uh, it is being returned on myself the memory during high school year 2023 only. So from year 2023, I tend to enjoy the feeling of myself, as in feeling on chest and then surroundings on school. That is on during year 2023 of myself. I tend to enjoy only during that year. Why? Because year 2012, I'm talking about my love life to Alex Jr. ko. I will talk about it. Year 2012, I could not, uh, I could not think of high school memory. I will talk about my love life to Alex Jr. ko, high school. During that moment, that is first year, one charity during that moment. First year charity. That is the name of section of myself and Alex and Diamantisa Jr. ko. What else could I say? Uh, Knowing to each other is such as myself is being to the meaning of to I am such as being attached to Alex Jr. ko. While talking to him, I talk about family and then likes, wants on life, and then talking to Key. That is the me and Alex Jr. ko talking about while sitting position. And then the next is Alex Jr. ko and myself did has a moment to listen to music. Ah, tapos na. Wait lang. Recording. Oh wait, there is person that is calling me.